Hey everybody, this is George at Zenhub with another 2.5-minute tutorial. This tutorial is going to cover issues, milestones, and epics. So if you're new to GitHub, all work is tracked in these things called issues. Now, that may sound bad, but it really isn't. An issue is just work that can be completed within a sprint, and a sprint is a week or two. So a GitHub milestone is a collection of all of the issues or stories that your team will do within a sprint, which again is just a week or two. A sprint is a milestone, and a milestone is a sprint. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so then what's an epic? Well, an epic is something that Zenhub adds to allow you to group together issues or stories that will take a few sprints to complete. Think 2 to 6 weeks on average. Most of our customers use this to group long-term or short-term goals together. So what does this look like in Zenhub? Looks like this. So we click the green New Issue button. We fill in a title and a description, and then click the purple Create an Epic button. And so you'll notice here that it shows a little diagram that tells us exactly what we need to do next, which is select some issues on the board to add as child issues for this epic. So we select a bunch of issues, click Set Epic, and then select the epic, and then click Done. And now we can drag that epic to a short-term goals column, and then click Filter by Epic Issues, and you'll see just the issues that roll up to that epic. So epics allow you to collect issues together into a group, and you'll complete those issues one by one and assign them to GitHub milestones. You do that during sprint planning, and we'll cover that in another video. See you next time.